Labosys Freeze dryer lyophilizers are used across industries, pharma, food, biotech, to remove moisture from sensitive materials, preserving them by freezing then sublimating water, extending shelf life, maintaining structure, and making them lightweight for storage, transport, crucial for vaccines, biologics, diagnostic kits, instant foods, and preserving microbial cultures or documents. Labosys Freeze dryer, lyophilizer, is a device used for lyophilization, a low-temperature dehydration process that removes moisture through sublimation, transitioning water directly from ice to vapor under a vacuum. This method is highly valued for its ability to preserve the structural integrity, biological activity, and nutritional value of sensitive materials. Labosys core applications: Pharmaceuticals and biopharmaceuticals. This is the most critical application area. It is used to stabilize vaccines, antibiotics, proteins, and injectable drugs that would otherwise degrade in liquid form or under heat. Food industry. Used to produce high-quality, lightweight, and long-lasting foods. Common examples include instant coffee, freeze-dried fruits, e.g., strawberries in cereal, vegetables, and meals for space missions, military rations, or hiking. Biotechnology and research. Essential for preserving enzymes, probiotics, microbial cultures, and biological samples, like tissues or blood plasma, to maintain their viability and prevent spoilage. Nutraceuticals and cosmetics. Vitamins, minerals, and active ingredients in serums or lotions are freeze-dried to enhance stability and ensure long-term potency. Chemical and technological industry. Used to produce fine chemicals, reagents, and nanomaterials, like graphene, in stable powder form. Document and heritage conservation. Lyophilization is a specialized technique used to recover water-damaged books, historical documents, and archaeological textiles by safely removing moisture without causing further structural collapse or mold growth. Taxidermy. Smaller animals and crustaceans are sometimes preserved via freeze drying to maintain a lifelike appearance. Key benefits of use: extended shelf life. Products can often be stored for years at room temperature without refrigeration. Quick rehydration. The porous structure left behind after sublimation allows materials to absorb water and return to their original state almost instantly. Preservation of fragile substances. Because it operates at very low temperatures, it avoids the heat damage, denaturation, common in traditional drying methods. Freeze dryer, lyophilizer, design centers on three core components: a product chamber, with shelves for freezing, heating; a vacuum system, for low pressure; and a condenser, to trap water vapor, all managed by precise control systems for temperature and pressure, enabling water to sublimate, solid to gas, from frozen products, preserving structure, flavor, and nutrients for pharmaceuticals, food, and research. Key design aspects include shelf heating, cooling; vacuum pump selection, e.g., rotary vane, condenser placement; internal, external, material choices, stainless steel; and specialized features like pressurized tests for process validation. Core components and systems. Product chamber. Holds product in vials or trays on shelves. Shelves are heated, cooled for freezing and sublimation. Refrigeration system. Compresses refrigerant to cool shelves and condenser coils. Vacuum system. A vacuum pump lowers pressure, creating a vapor path for sublimation. Condenser, ice trap. Cold surfaces attract water vapor, turning it back to ice, often with internal or external placement in dual units for continuous operation. LuxMed, looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.